Hi folks, this is just going to be a quick tour of the new Bloom planner from my Etsy shop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am in the app GoodNotes, which is this icon with the dark pen and blue lines. So I'm going to click into GoodNotes. And the first thing we need to do is bring our planner into GoodNotes. So I've organized my GoodNotes into different folders, and I'm going to go into my planner folder, click the plus on new, and I'm going to click import. And then I'm going to navigate to where I downloaded the planner from my Etsy purchase. And in my case, I store all of my planners in iCloud. So I'm going to navigate to where my planner is. So I'm going to go in here, and it should be the file that says Bloom Planner Compressed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to take a moment to import, and then GoodNotes is going to open it up right away. And if you want to kind of see its full thing, this front slide is simply the cover, very simple and very journal-like. And then I'll just give you a quick tour. So I'm going to slide to the right, and you can see this is the inside front cover. Down here on the left, we have some links to my Etsy shop, my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The best link is probably the YouTube link, because in my YouTube channel, I have quite a few videos that just show you digital planners and bullet journaling and sticker usage. So if you're new to digital planning, I highly recommend clicking this link. And then on this front page, there's a space for you to write your name, who this planner belongs to. So you would go to the pen tool, pick a color from, and if you would maybe want to try to match the pink from this book as close as you can get it, pen color, and then I might go a little thicker, and you can write who the planner belongs to. These links right here are for the tabs at the top. So these 5 tabs at the top, if you click them, it takes you to a tabbed divider, and then some paper, in this case lined paper. You have a second tab, a third tab, fourth and fifth. And to go back to the beginning, I did install a hidden home button. So in the upper left-hand corner, if you just tap in the upper left-hand corner, it will take you back to the beginning. And these 4 boxes are paper choices. So you can be taken to a grid, dot, graph, lined, or blank. You can duplicate any of these pages. So I'm going to click the grid view up here in the left-hand corner, and you can see we have the different, here's our dot grid, here's our graph, lined, and then blank. You can copy any of these pages, and so click the arrow and add this page anywhere into your planner. So if you would rather your notebook be dot grid, you can add as many dot grid pages as you'd like after this blue tab. It does not mess up any of the links. It does not change the order of anything. So this is kind of a notebook section. Again, I'm going to go click to the upper left-hand corner invisible home button. It's going to take me back to the beginning. And then you're going to see we have our months linked, January through December. I'm going to click on January. And you'll notice when you click on January, it's like a real planner. It opens up to January, and that tab moves over to the left. So this is your January monthly. Now, if you swipe right, you'll be taken to 6 weekly layouts. They're all the same. And then eventually you'll end up at February. So I'm going to go back to January. The other way you can get to the weeklies is in each of these on the Monday boxes on the calendar. If you tap in that box, in the upper left-hand corner, it will take you to that weekly. So I'm going to go back to January. Again, all of the Monday calendar boxes in the upper left-hand corner, it takes you to the matching weekly. So if I went here, it's going to take me to the 5th weekly. So you have linked months, and then in the Monday column of each calendar in the upper left-hand corner is an invisible link to each weekly. The Bloom Planner also comes with a set of matching stickers. When I want to bring in a sticker, you have a couple of options. You can click the icon that is the image, where you'll get the blue highlighted image. I'm going to tap it again, click Insert From, and then I'm going to go, again, navigate to where you downloaded your purchase from Etsy, and I'm going to go to the holidays. Let's say you know that it is Veterans Day. You can bring it in, resize it, move it wherever you'd like, and you can add stickers. The other way you can add a sticker is to swipe up from the bottom carefully. I store all my stickers in iCloud or the files, so I'm going to just bring this up. You can do split screen too, meaning you can take this and dock it on the side there if you would like. So it's split screen like this. It doesn't matter how you do it. But again, I'm just going to navigate to where my stickers are at. And for this Bloom Planner, so I'm going to go to my Bloom Planner stickers. And let's say, again, this time instead I want a heart. So I'm just going to click select the one I want, and drag it over, resize it, put it where I would like, and there we have our stickers. So again, two methods. You can use the insert icon in the navigation bar at the top, click Insert From, or you can swipe up from the bottom and have your files in a hovering window or in a docked window and import them that way. So that's just a quick tour of the Bloom Planner, and I hope you love your purchase.